Good day, this is AJ with a.j.farzad.com, where if you scroll all the way to the bottom of the homepage, you can sign up for my free newsletter and you will be informed of all the events and free trainings that I do weekly. See you there. How's it going? So I am often asked, how do I control my negative thoughts? What do I do with my negativity? What happens when a customer, for example, tells me my buying cycle's in 6 months or I don't like your product? How do I counteract and remove that negative thought? So what my point to you is, when I say think about the things that you want and not the things that you don't want, is that you don't really need to replace negative, you don't need to remove negative thoughts. You need to replace them with positive thoughts. And I'm going to take you through a little experiment that makes this crystal clear. Pardon the pun. I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so let's discuss what negative thoughts are and how they affect you and how to get rid of them. And that's the major misconception, is the fact that people think that we need to get rid of negative thoughts. So this is your mental status, like clean, clear, right? And this little food dye is your negative thoughts. So when you are in front of the customer and they say, well, my buying cycle is in 10 months, or I don't like your product. So they sit there, and the more you talk about it, you go to your friend and go, oh, look, my customer's buying cycle is messed up, or they don't like my product. So every time you mess around and every time you rehash these negative thoughts, it's like you're stirring it all through your consciousness, and they kind of stay here. So it's not like you can take away the negative thoughts, and you don't really need to take away. All you need to do is replace them with positive thoughts, which is replaced by clear water. So check out what happens. You keep on replacing it with positive thoughts. 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 And you can see where this is going, right? So the more you think about negative thoughts, the more you are going to bring negative thoughts into your experience. All you need to do is concentrate on positive thoughts. And that's it. So think about what you want, concentrate on what you want, and not on what you don't want. That's all I got for you. To your success. Thank you for listening, and if you would like to have this type of training for your organization, please email me at aj@a.j.farzad.com. To your success.